People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless hello and greetings all my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queen, my lion and my lioness. I hope all is blessed. And as usual, I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. Right now, them there mix a song. You know what I mean? For damn youth. Big up damn youth. I'm going to just get a voice note, a very concerning voice note from Jamaica. So I'm play it my here because it's very important. I don't need to hear this. I don't need to wake up and stand up and speak up after the break.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Yo, I done mafia. Talk me a talk, you know, in a business, you know. What am I free do? News. Freedom of speech. Everybody sing. Freedom of speech. Everybody sing. Freedom of speech. None of them can stop mafia from speak. What me say?
Prophecy a fulfill, me nah laugh, nah laugh. The government stem a pull off, be a graph. Me no trust them from morning dog. That's why me watch every move them make like draft. The devil them link up, round table talk. Here's them a plan, sister we Whitney Park. 2020 them let the virus out of the dark. Globally people life are about like chalk. Global human reduction. Hey, don't trust the government, them a corruption. To get rid of us, them have no option but to release a virus.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You don't know, Linefoot platform is to uplift, highlight, support, and entertain. So you don't know, link up, and the platform is always here. You don't one hand can clap, and you know, dry bread nice, but it nice when it have a look a butter upon it. So if you want to contribute something to the channel, you can do so. You see me? But me not to ask for nothing still, you see me? I just have to put it out there, you see it? Conscience. You know what I mean? But anyway, I hear the voice note of what go on right now.
Yo, Linefoot. Let me say, brother. But just I see this a circulate around, you know. I mean, I don't know if you see it yet, but I just put it out there if you want to put it out there. Because I say, when I youth, them fight for the thing too, you know. Yeah, man. But the people Jamaicans come like, them blind or licky, or them just, you know, John Rastafari. You know, this now make you know, you know. I mean, I read right now in front of me. And to say, yo, this info just came to me. Jamaica's election was financed by none other than the Bill Gates. And the time Jamaican have to be used for the world trial vaccine that he developed. This is the same vaccine they wanted to try on the African nation, but there was an outcry in Africa. Jamaica's recent election was a concerted effort to ensure that the government got the 2 to 3 majority puppets in Parliament to write the mandatory vaccine into law and pass the law. So eventually the public will be forced to take this vaccine as mandatory because it will be law. Jamaica is a trial run and titled to roll out to the world. The Rastafarians have been speaking out. Why do you think Jamaica COVID-19 case numbers have been coming up? This fear factor is put out there, so Jamaicans run to take the vaccine. There will be a lot of noise, but the Jamaican Parliament is going to state its law. Do you see part of the fear of gender now? You won't even be able to travel overseas without taking this vaccine. Also remember, Jamaica and the rest of the world are owned by, controlled by the World Bank, IMF, and the UN. Due to the unfair debt practices from the money masters who have indebted all countries of the world. Yo, Linefoot, you see what I want, my brother, serious thing in my general. Yo, I'm going to put this out there by your platform. Yeah, man, because we see one of the youth, them fight the thing like Foot and LA Lewis, and the next one, they will name Vegas, you know. Yo, I tell a story right now, Father God alone can't come save the world in a fire upon them boy there, you know.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, my fellow Jamaicans. It's a wicked out there, you know. A serious thing going on, you know. Serious thing going on, we need for wake up. Zine, we know, so when people talk, we don't feel like, say, oh, you know, we have the supporters them of Condrew Cholness, you know what I mean, and supporters of freedom and rights, Rastafarians community, see me? Big up Queen Africa Wall is a speak out, such as Footer Hype, you know what I mean, LA Lewis, 7 Star, you know, But me I telling some people, hear the voice note, very concerning. I can hear the man, the voice note of the person. You know what I mean? Frustrated, fed up. Enough people know about them afraid to deny the truth because them licky, love the money. See, they buy it out. Enough of them politicians sell them soul. Giving, you know what I mean? Remember, say, Africa, you know, I think of Madagascar or one of them countries, you know, even Nigeria and them places, you know. And burn out the government, the BG, you know, and about vaccine, you know, and the money we might offer, you know, to the poor third world country, them, you know. I must say some of them refuse, you know. I say, nah, sell out them people, them, you know. You see me? For the money, you know, the government, them, you know. So why couldn't our government do the same thing? That me want know. Why our phone government couldn't do the same thing? Condrew Cholness. All of this money we use him get towards the election because he's part of the agenda. He has gotten the support financially wise, you know what I mean, to bribe and lure the people them into the trap. You get me? I'm say to bribe and lure the people them into the trap because they want to influence and force this agenda and this new world order, which is the chip, to control God, living people, human being, control them robotized wise with this chip where they can monitor your movements all over the world. This is why you have the global pandemic, because they want explore, invent, and try, you know what I mean, to conquer the world because them done rich already. Them are done multi-billion trillionaire. And of them houses we out on some place where hurricane and storm can't affect. No disaster can't affect this. Them have them house this. Them have them pride them ship where underground all the thing for escape route. You see me? So every country where them can capture right now and influence with the money, we say, yeah, vaccine. See? Right now, England are war against it. So the people them to speak out. America is the same thing. Where I think the campaign not stopping America because they're not up with it. But our local Jamaica, greedy, licky, Condrew Cholness, get the money. You see that same 10 grand there? Where them going to give you a stadium? That was some part of the money we get. To fund the people them because of the frustration and people start bad, say them hungry and blah blah blah, not food and lockdown and nowhere can't sell downtown. Those 10 grands were part of BG money, the Gates money. And see, now remember now one of that must come alight, you know. So this is somebody leak out the article or write it or something, you know. Don't know from it, I go say Neil for go some my fellow Jamaicans. You know, wake up and listen, because I know some Americanized already out there. You know, some are very Americanized out there. Everything American they gonna do. No found licky and believe one day hype and just want to live and want to live for the future of the kids and the grandparents and the great grandparents' future. Remember, we need to talk up before it's too late. A lion foot attack. Zine. Time fool. But time not drunk. I saw time drunk but time not fool. Get me? We only can talk, you know. And other people only can talk. You It's up to you if you believe and take heed and pick sense out of nonsense. See, recently now I read one of the paper them over here in the UK. The former Prime Minister said the mask can protect, so why we need the vaccine? If have the mask to protect, why people need the vaccine? Tell them, they say, yo, wear the mask, so why I need vaccine? The vaccine has the little rice grain microchip in it. Some states start with it already, America. Some people are against it. England are against it. They're fighting hard against it. And the more people say no, is the more them can't do it. And right now, if the law pass at Jamaica and the government put that in one of the law, them we don't have to take it. And they don't see some I use blue force for one already for wear the mask, you know. And by right, we don't have to wear it. You see me? Was a public because themselves, if somebody sneeze or cough, you can catch it. More like if you're in bus or a train or them thing there. Business places, you put it on, yes, see with that, but when you walk out the street, you must wear it. And even over England, you don't have to wear the mask if you have doctor service ticket. So why am I forced on to wear it out the 24/7? 24 hours a day. My viewers and my fellow Jamaicans, and wake up, man. That's all I say to you. I don't know a lion foot, I'm love you. See? Right now, I'm going to continue work on my mix my tune. You see me? And look out for the rhythm in the 95 rhythm. Various artists, Real Scale, Dan Crazy, Tall Up Youth, Presidential, Dan Youth. You see me? Yeah, man. Dan Mafia. That's Mary. You get me? Yeah, man. A greatness, man. Poor people production. See? Yeah, man. Low voltage also is on the rhythm. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
Them know it, Empire Selassie, the Almighty Creator. Judgment in our road.